All right, hello. We got live stream number 123. And I'm just stepping into the session here. I'm already seeing movement. So this is looking like it's going to be a great day. Mr. Jeff Nunn, how's it going? You're first again. You made it. Yes, it is days like Marathon Monday, where I have to work way more than I need to be. This is what keeps me going as far as all the Forex trading and YouTube and all this other stuff. I'm doing good, man. Daniel S, how's it going? Hope into a very good day. Yes, it's looking good already. I can tell. You know, I've been doing this for a while. I can already tell. We got the moves happening today. Alrighty. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, stuff is still not popping up in the right places. There we go. Move this over here. All right. Once again, be sure to hit the like button if you're enjoying the streams, the channel, the trades, occasional apple juice shenanigans, all of it. I definitely had some apple juice this weekend. I'm still not right behind it. Okay. Shockingly, the EGBP is not going up yet. Should be at some point, probably during this session, I'm guessing. Let's see what we got going on with the dollar. Pretty big move down. I still don't think it's all the way ready to just actually come down yet, but it's definitely getting there. Let's go ahead and check this news really quick. What's going on here? Tuesday the 22nd, we have the BRICS Summit. Heads of state from Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, as well as Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, are due to meet about BRICS expansion, global geopolitics, trade, and infrastructure development in Johannesburg. Wow. Alrighty. Other than that, I don't see any news, so that's good. Alrighty then. Let's check the majors here. Okay. So this is at least broken out of this level here. But like I said, I don't know if the dollar is coming all the way down right now. Same here. Gonna be the same story across all the majors, of course. The usual. This is not a bad pullback here. I'll keep an eye on it. I might actually get into that. right, what's going on with the odd NZD? Very choppy. Choppy. Wiki. Mr. Tiger, how's it going? You said, I'm discouraged. Now I went from 49% to my profit target to 29% now. It's Forex is like a marathon. It's definitely not a sprint. It's definitely not something you pick up in a couple of months. So, you know, you got to keep at it, man. You definitely got to study and gain experience. Yeah, discipline takes time to build. Becoming a good trader takes time to do. Hold on. Okay, I do think this is a tradable pullback here. A pretty tight one too. Okay, I'm actually gonna get into this. You know what? I can't do it on this one. I forgot the trial is not hold on. I meant to do this earlier. I forgot about it. Since I'm not trading my real accounts right now, I am taking a little bit of time off. So I'm doing these trial accounts for now. And they're only like 14 days a piece. So I gotta start another one here. That one ended today. Alright, and do this really fast. Fast. Okay, boom. Oh wow, I even have time to get straight. Look at that. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I do that. Here we go. Sorry folks, this is having to do some things really fast on the fly here. Okay, I'm only gonna go for 3 here, and I might not even go for 3. I might get out of it early. I think I should be able to get at least 3 though. Yeah, Mr. Tiger, this is just a trial version of the challenge because I'm taking some time off from trading my real accounts until probably the first week of September. I just needed a little bit of time off, which I haven't had in years, literally. So yeah, I'm taking a little bit of time off. But I will still come on here and trade these trial accounts at least. I don't want to just be off for like 3 weeks in a row. That's a little bit crazy too. Alrighty. Martin Me 29, you said I left the buy stop on GU. Yeah, above that level there. Yeah. Like I said, I don't know if this is a full move down on this dollar here. Hold on. Woo. Yeah, that seems like a pretty good idea. Alrighty. See the yens really quick. What's going on over here? Forgot to turn that damn humidifier on. I might get to it in a minute. Yeah, I don't know about the yens today. They might be coming down, but I'm not sure. Like I said, EGBP still should be going up at some point. I'm going for the double. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, so I did hop into this pullback here. $46.4. And I did double up on the stop as well. 7, 5. I believe it should be okay. We still do have 13 minutes before the open. And this is a solid move up, so it's very possible it goes for the 50% retrace, which is like right in here. Technically, I should move the stop down even a little bit more. But I'll keep an eye on it, and we'll see if I need to even do that. Alright, so there's that. I will move it down a little bit. Alrighty. Yeah, the dollar can really mess you up when it's not like moving predictably. It can definitely do some damage. For sure. Gotta be careful with that dollar sometimes. Okay, still got about 9 minutes before the open. Yeah, I'm not seeing a whole lot today. Like I said, I think the EGBP should be coming up at some point. The odd NZD just looks really choppy, so I'll probably leave that alone. The yens are not looking very tradable at all. Yeah, I don't see a whole lot really. I don't. But yeah, you know, just like yesterday, if I just have to get one good trade, that's fine too. It doesn't have to be 3 or 4 good trades. It could be 1 or 2. Bitcoin's still pretty low, well under 30K. It was kind of chilling around 30K for a minute. It's 26 now. All right. It looks like it's actually continuing to come down too. Yeah, I think this is the other really good, going to be the other good pair today. Once it starts to go up and it gives me some type of pattern to go off of, that should be pretty good. Okay. I will be right back. We got the open happening in about 5 minutes. Give me a second here. Okay. How much time we got? 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 20 seconds for this party to get started. So I'm hoping I wasn't too early here. I don't think I was, because this is still a pretty solid enough move down. It should definitely come down some more. So what I'll do is I'll move this stop. Okay, I'll give it a minute. I'll give it a minute before I decide what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it looks fine. Also, it looks like this is still coming down. Looks like this is still coming down, so I should be okay. I do think I should move the stop a little bit, but like I said, I do want to give it some space, especially for the open. I think it should go up for the open. It might even just go all the way through. Hopefully fast. Okay, got 2 minutes still. It's gonna be a pretty tight one, but I think the odds are in my favor. I probably should have just waited, honestly. I probably should have waited until the open. Got a minute and 25 seconds. Yeah, it's a tight one for sure. Maybe a little on the risky side. Okay, we got 30 seconds. Ten seconds. All right, here we go. All right, that was pretty tame for. That was pretty tame. All right, EGBP is going up. Definitely have to wait for some type of pullback or a pattern here. As far as my odd USD, not too sure about it. Definitely should have waited. Should have been a little safer on that one. So I'm just waiting on a pattern here. Oh yeah, it even looks good on the 4-hour. So I do have this take profit 13 pips away from where we are right now. So far, I'm going to leave it as is. Yeah, pretty decent chance of this going through, but still, it was too early of an entry. So I can't like super stand behind the trade because it wasn't, you know, was not the best trade. Definitely should have waited. I really shouldn't even be in the trade yet. Okay, I'm gonna move the stop a little bit at this point. Okay, I can definitely get a tighter stop now that I see that dollar is still coming down, so this should push up here. Now, is it gonna go past here is the question. Okay, looks like I might get it. Still not in the clear yet, though. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way up here. Let's see. I really should just get out of it. I think it's too risky. Okay, I'm gonna get out of it actually. Now there is a chance it goes through anyway, but too risky. Just too risky. So I did make $13 on it at least. A little bit of something. Yeah, luckily I was able to get out of it without a loss. So that was good. Okay, so I'm more interested over here at this point. This looks much better. Much more solid move. Yeah, problem is I have no idea where the dollar's going. Like I say, it looks like it's coming down, but I don't think it's actually coming down yet. Might give like one more pretty big move up, or it'll just continue consolidating for a while. It could come down though. It is definitely getting to the point where it's going to start to come down. I don't think it's ready yet. Okay, let's see. Maybe I was right. Mr. Tiger, you said, should I exit on my position and take a few days off? I'm feeling pressured already. I don't know, man. Yeah, I think you might be running in a little bit too fast. I think you say you just started a couple months ago. You definitely got to give yourself some time to learn the ropes, you know. 5 Arms Live, you said, sir, you should hire a social media manager for more gains in YouTube. What are they gonna do for me? What does a social media manager do exactly? What would you say you do here? Jeff Nunn says, if you just started, why do you have many positions? Says you should stick to one pair and perfect it before you go to others. I've said it 1,000 times. I feel like people have skewed the timeline of how long it takes for you to be a good trader. I always say 2 to 3 years, but these dudes on social media are talking about 6 months, a year. I just don't agree with it at all. I really think it's a much longer learning process. And that's my take on it. You said they will improve your content growth strategically. Which tags are more important? Thumbnail design, etc. Okay, it's something I'll consider. In Madu, you said, can you short GJ now? I wouldn't short this. I would not recommend that. Right now, I would say wait for this here. This is looking like the best move today. EGBP long. I'm just waiting for the actual move. It's still not ready yet. I've been waiting on this since yesterday. Tiger, you said I probably should study one pair strictly before moving on to another. What you should do is get the course, tcxcollective.com, and read all the recommend reading that I put on there. You can trade at least the majors, GU, EU, AU, NZDU, UCAD, and the dollar index. You can at least trade those. So that gives you a couple pairs to work with. But they're all pretty much the same pair, so there's many things that need to be understood in order for you to be able to do this. I don't care what any of these guys say. It's harder than people make it out to be, but it's also not that hard either if you know what's going on. See, I think I would have actually got this one, but it was still too risky, so I got out of it. I don't regret getting out of it, but yeah, this looks like it actually would have worked out. Yeah, I think I was right here. If this doesn't give me a move, I'm just going to do a buy stop order up here somewhere. All right, so I was right. Almost. It's almost there. You said they charge $300 per month average. Manage your social media and grow faster. All right, all right. What's my opinion about GBP USD right now? Pretty much the same way I felt about the AUD USD. It's not. Yeah, like I said, I don't feel like the dollar is coming all the way down right now. It looks like it's coming down a little bit, but I don't think this is the move down. So I don't know if these are reliable trends right here. They look all right though. I don't think they're going to be very long trends. I think they're going to come back down first and then go up. Yeah, a little bit risky. Yeah, even if this move does go through, I'm still glad that I got out of it because it was not that good of a move. So I would rather get out of a slightly risky move with no loss than for it to fail. And I had like a double stop on it too, so it was all bad. Yeah, you still got the buy stop. I don't know about it, man. It's not like I said, I don't know if this is a real move down here on the dollar. So if it goes up, it might not go up for very long. So I don't know about that one. Yeah. So it looks like this is gonna go through. It's 3 pips away, so it probably goes through. Five Arms Live, you said, can you explain funded account max drawdown system? Is it trailing drawdown or fixed? It's pretty much, so say you have a 100K account, you just cannot go below $10,000 of loss at all. So equity, none of it. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So I always say use like 0.4% risk at the absolute most. So that's $400 risk. Yeah, since these prop firm accounts, they use these like really small max loss amounts, you have to kind of go by that. You really can't go by the 100K because you would just be risking way too much. Like they kind of like trick people a little bit. Making it seem like it's this big giant account when it kind of is not. It's still really big, but you can't trade it like a 100K account. That would be a whole different situation. Yeah, so this still hasn't actually gone through yet. Had I stayed in there. You said if I'm up 100K account profit and you get up to 110K, Now the max drawdown is 20K. Yeah. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, as long as you keep the account above 90K, then you're fine. So yeah, if you get to 110, you could lose 20. If you get to 120, you could lose 30, etc., etc. Yeah, FTMO I think is the only prop firm I've ever dealt with, so they're the only ones that I can speak about. I don't think I've worked with any of the other ones. Yeah, no, I haven't actually. Okay, see, yeah, this is what I was nervous about here. I don't know if it's gonna make it through, so that's why I exited out of there. Like I said, it's a tight one for sure. You said I read somewhere if I win 110K, then the drawdown is fixed to 100K. No, it's just a max drawdown of 10K. So yeah, as long as you don't drop below 90,000, then you're fine. You said if this calculation works in FTMO, I'm not going to any other account. I think most of them are like that. All right, Jose Roberto from Brazil. I don't speak Portuguese, brother. I don't know what that means. Why am I getting all the Portuguese people? I don't think I met any Portuguese people in life. They all come to my stream though. Shout outs to Mr. Betancourt too. Alrighty, Five Arms Live. Good to see you, man. Okay, bom dia. Like buenos dias. Okay. What? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to get my Rosetta Stone and Duolingo for Portuguesa. What are my hobbies outside of trading? I love to work out. All about fitness. I go to the gym probably 4 days a week, most of the time. I love to travel. I love roller coasters. I like cars and jewelry. And trying new foods and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought too. I don't know, Buenos and Bomb, they sound kind of different. I was like, huh? Let me ask and make sure. That might be something else. This man is going all the way with the Portuguese. I have no idea what you're talking about, man. But apparently I'm doing something the Portuguese people like, so I'm gonna have to keep that in mind for the future. Unbeknownst to me. Okay, this trade I exited, and yeah, I'm glad that I exited that trade. I don't think it's a solid trade. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Yeah, if you're going long on those backside dollar pairs, I would possibly rethink that, because like I said, I don't think this is a real move down. I'm sticking by that statement. That's maybe what I was asking for. If you're asking for the website, there it is. Okay. This is kind of like yesterday, but slower. I don't see any trades at all. This one's getting there. Other than that, I don't see anything. It's tragically slow today. Oh damn, man. I got Estoy aquí aprendiendo. You're here learning. Yeah, the rest is not. Anybody who says Spanish and Portuguese are similar is lying. Lying. GCAD. I've been very like not trading these pairs at all. This is a pretty nice uptrend though. Well, I'm expecting for this to start going up, the EGBP. So if anything, I would do like the ECAD. Let me see, hold on. Yeah, this will probably be safer, the ECAD, since this is going to be going up. But you could just skip all that and just go along here. Oh, okay. So he's a plane mechanic trying to learn about Forex trading, probably. Okay. Yeah, I wish I could like copy that over into translate it really quick, but I gotta do all this here. Do I pay attention to interest rates? Yeah, that's my day job, is dealing with that stuff, Jeff. Okay, let me see. Looks like this did make it. I think my take profit was at 44 or something. Let me see if it shows up. It doesn't show up, but I think it was at 44. It looks like it's right there. But yeah, it's all good. Still wasn't that good of a trade. Pantelis Zarakis. He says, "Where are you from, mate?" I am from all over. I was born on the East Coast of the United States. This did work, by the way. I lived in Florida for a little bit. I lived on the West Coast for a little bit, and I've been in the desert ever since this whole C-19 thing happened. And the big cities are not really the place to be right now. So I decided to leave. Timba T says, "What's up? Is this the real evaluation, or are you still doing the trial?" I'm still doing the trial for now. I'm doing the trial, taking a little break until probably like the first or second week of September. Whenever I feel like getting back into it. Probably the first week. I'm already getting kind of like, I want to get back into it, but yeah, I do need a little bit of a time off. Okay, here we go. We got the move up. I don't know if I hop in yet. I think I should still wait just a little bit more. Here's the thing, I don't want to be too cautious either. But I definitely, my win rate had dropped pretty low. I think it was like in the 40s somewhere, which is very, very low compared to like, I've had points where my win rate was like 80% for, you know, more than a month. So I need to get back to that. even though I was still doing okay at 40%, it's not good enough. Pantelis, you said, is August the worst trading month in general? It's feeling like it. It's definitely feeling like it. But like I said, this is the first month, first summer. I've been doing this it'll be 4 years. I've been trading in September, so sometime next month it'll be for my 4-year anniversary. This is by far the worst summer that I've ever seen. So it's just this year's summer in particular. I think it just has to do with all the different economic stuff going on, and it's just a lot going on. So I think that is having an effect on the currency market. But yeah, it's definitely been like slim pickings the last couple of weeks for sure. It's usually pretty easy to find stuff, but I've had to be a lot more patient and look a lot harder. And yeah, like I said, my win rate went way down. So he said the Fed and other central banks tightening and hiking rates, lowering volume. Yeah, the rates went way up for sure. Jose Roberto, you said teacher because August has always been difficult to operate. Okay, maybe all the Augusts were bad. I just didn't realize it or something. But no, this is definitely the worst one. There's only been a couple standout really bad times in my trading experience. That was the election, the whole C19 thing, this month, every single Christmas. The last 2 weeks of December is just terrible every year, and Thanksgiving. That's about it. That's the worst times I can think of. So next year, when this ridiculous election gets started, it's going to be the same thing. They're trying to lock up Donald Trump. We'll see if he even makes it to the damn election. Okay, this one is getting there. I still don't think it's safe to take the trade yet. Got to get this win rate up. And yeah, I've done the math many times over. It's better to when it's like this, it's better to not take trades and just don't take the losses. Because tomorrow, since everything is all stalled out today, it should be something tomorrow. But I'll still give it until like 1:30. If nothing happens but within 2 hours, then it might just be a bad day. Okay, quick bathroom break. I will be right back. Gotta grab some water too. Alrighty. Let's see. We're gonna get anything today. Okay, so I was right here. Alright. Yeah, it's coming down pretty nice. Well, yeah, if you're looking at the daily or the 4-hour, it's definitely still due to come back up. So I'm standing by that as well. I don't know when that's gonna happen. Probably down in here somewhere. Yeah, I don't think it just comes straight down from here. I don't see that happening. Am I being invited to the carnival? Hey, that sounds fun. Okay, I'll check it out. I don't know much about it, to be honest. I've been on a carnival cruise. No, that's a little different. A lot different. No, that does sound fun. I've heard about it, but I never been to Brazil, so that is something I'll put on the list for sure. I think it is actually safe to go for a buy stop here. Just measure it out here. So on days like this where there's no move in the session that I sit through, there should be something at least for the next one. So I'll have to just do this instead. Okay, so 9. So the way I do it is I use the fib levels. So half is right here, and then another half of that half is here. So pretty much 10. Okay, so 35, 20. So yeah, you can just use stop orders in this situation so you can at least make something. Order. So buy, stop. Stop orders take much more effort than market orders. And I'm just gonna go for one and a third. Especially because it's the EGBP, the spread is a little bit bigger than the other pairs. Okay. Okay. And then stop loss. 10. Okay, so this should be fine. Let's see here. Then it was 14. Oops, hold on. Yeah, that should be fine. I probably could even go for 2, but I'll just go for 1 and a third, like I was saying. That's like even safer. And it's like right below that level too. But it really should go. This should be the move up. Other than that, I would also maybe put one here too. This one's not as good, I don't think. I think I can get away with putting one on one of these dollar pairs. Probably here, actually. I don't like that one as much, to be honest. So I think I'm okay with just the EGBP one. Yeah, if I'm right here, I do think the dollar is coming back up, like a big move up too, probably all the way back up, at least close to the top here, close to like up here somewhere, probably in here somewhere. I very highly doubt. I've already said like 5 times, but I don't think this is just coming straight down. It should come back up first. So there's my take on that. Let me take another quick look around, see if there's anything that I missed. MKKM, how's it going? Yeah, you popped in late today, huh? I'm glad you made it. Yeah, I actually missed a buy stop order here yesterday. So you can use that same calculation I just used. So it was here. The session started over here. So if you're going to do that, you would do it up here. You go all the way down. Ooh, this one's big. So 36, half, and then half of half. So like 25. Times 1 1/3 is 33 and a half. So in here somewhere, but it actually went 2. But yeah, that would have worked yesterday too. I actually didn't see it before I left the session. So that was $500 that I missed out on with this account that I'm trading here. $400 risk times 1 1/3 is $500. So you can get those little quick, easy moves like that pretty often, actually. I wouldn't want to go short on the Euro USD because, like I said, I think the EGBP is going up, so it's going to push the Euro up. So if anything, if you're going to go short, the GU, you can go like down here somewhere maybe. I still don't think it's that strong of a move though. So I think I'm just going to stick with my EGBP trade. That's about it. I'm being way more cautious now, as you guys can see. I don't like having a 40% win rate. That's just not going to cut it for me. So I need to get that back up to at least in the 60s somewhere. If not the 70s, is where I feel much more comfortable. That's where the money's at. I'm going to keep a nice high win rate. Be much more selective about the trades. He says, teacher, could you kindly analyze gold? Oh my goodness, you guys are always asking me about gold. I don't trade it. I really don't. I know it's very quick to reverse and very like bouncy. So if that's the case, you got at least a triple bottom. Hold on. Chart's messing up on me. Hold on. So you got a nice triple bottom on the hourly chart, which is a good sign for it to be reversing. Yeah, you might want to wait for like one more move down on like the 4 hour or even on the hourly. Definitely if it touches down and it goes back up, then I would say go long. But yeah, I really don't trade gold like that, so I'm not the person to go to for that. Hussein, how's it going? Yeah, I mainly trade the major pairs, the yens, Auden ZD, EGBP. That's pretty much all I do. These days, like I said, I used to trade all these GBP cross pairs, but lately I haven't been not very reliable these days, so I just kind of I like the nice easy trades. I don't want to be like thinking that hard. Right, Hussein is doing good. You just entered a UCAD sell. It's all right. I think this one was decent here. This one wasn't bad here. Four and a half. What's that? 9. So looks like it's about to go through right now. It technically hasn't even gone through yet. So that wasn't bad. That was pretty much the same trade I took earlier. I just went long here instead. But I got out of it early because I just didn't. I didn't think it was that strong of a move. I still don't actually. Yeah, none of this looks good. I do have a buy stop here. Let me actually put that down for later. For tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much the only one that I see at the moment. Yeah, other than that, I don't see anything. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, I don't think those were that strong though. I mean, it was very possible for it to reverse back down just because of where the dollar is. It's already looking like it wants to start reversing. I think it's going to take a little longer, but yeah, it's starting to already shift, looks like. What's going on with the news tomorrow? Anything? Oh my god. Oh. Alright, that's gonna be kind of hard to trade through. And the BRICS summit. Oh my goodness. Okay. That'll be interesting tomorrow. What's going on with the bricks? We got to start buying bricks dollars. Bricks coins. I gotta go to Russia, open up a bank account. What's going on? We're about to see, huh? Okay. Looks like this one's getting ready. Hey. Yeah, you know, the dollar might be going up faster than I thought. I don't know if I want to actually get in on these though. I'm almost thinking you can go short. Probably here. If the EGBP is going up, dollar's about to start going up. If that happens, this would be the short here. Or here. And just judging by how slow that move went up, you probably can get away with it. But I would still give it a little bit of time though. Yeah, I think so. So on the daily chart, it's still a downtrend. And technically on the 4-hour chart too. And that should be the case with all these other ones. Let's see. Not so much here. Yeah, so the odd and the NZDU are like heavy downtrends. But then the GU is not, and the EU is also not. So They're not all in alignment. And what's going on with the UCAD? Let's see. Take that off of there. Yep, and then this is still in an uptrend. Pretty steady one too. Yeah, these are not the best moves. Okay. I think I'm gonna skip all these moves, but I will point out that this is not a bad short here. Okay. All right. So there's my predictions. I think the dollar is gonna go back up to this line here. Buy stop here should be fine. So that would mean potentially a short move here. I'm not gonna take it because I don't think it's that great, but it should probably go at least 2. And or this one, either one of these. But yeah, I don't like them enough to actually trade them right now, so go ahead and end the session there. I don't see much else happening, so I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'll be back on here tomorrow, 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual, and you all have a great day tomorrow. See you later.